ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Hello everyone. A very good afternoon to all. Hope you are
Good
doing well.
afternoon, ma'am.
We are here to
Afternoon,
make
ma'am.
good afternoon. Hope you are doing well. We are here to make a departmental interaction. This is conducted by Faculty of Sociology Department in the support of our principal, Father Dr. Jose Pelelli, and also Miss Lalita and Dionys Ricky. Before starting the session, I would like to make an important announcement. If you have anything to ask or share, you can write in the chat box. But not now. You will be given a sufficient time for that. At first, please listen to our talks. You all are aware about the present situation. The pandemic, lockdown, all this affect a lot into our lives, right? Mainly, it affects on our mental health as these unavoidable circumstances bring a lot of changes into our lives that we were not aware earlier. And most importantly, as a student, you have faces various uncertainties regarding exams, careers, and all. Your decision regarding your career is also very important to you. So, the objectives of this interacting session is to provide some input on careers in sociology and on mental health. So, let's start the session. First, I would like to speak on career in sociology. So, careers in sociology. Sociology is not only an intellectual discipline, it is also a profession. To make a career in sociology, there are several avenues to excel. Some of such avenues are urban sociology, political sociology, ethnic and race relations. Similarly, they are the sociology pertaining to the family and the sphere of social psychology. In a nutshell, sociology incorporates study of all phases of human activity and experience. For this, it employs a variety of social disciplines like psychology, history, economics, anthropology, political science, and many more. How can we use or apply the body of knowledge? Sociology deals with answering questions as, but not limited to this. So, sociology basically deal with like how to formulate an ideal society, what are the ingredients for it, how the culture of the society is created, how does this culture progress to a generation from the earlier one, what are the difference and similarities between various groups of people, what impact do various social institutions cast on people. So first I would like to say sociology as teaching profession. Teaching is the largest part of nation's energy. Sociologists as teacher employed in various professional schools, business, law, institutions, medicines, along with colleges and universities. So you can also go for as a teacher, either in college, universities, or even in schools. So sociology, next one is sociology as a research enterprise. Sociologists make their living by teaching or research or combination of two. Nowadays, sociology is becoming more and more as a major component of applied work. It means whatever we learn is the theory. When we apply the learned theories into a practical field, it leads to an applied sociology. There is a great amount of hello, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. There is a great amount of nation's invention in sociological research. Research on various social and administrative issues help to gather statistics about the same. It means that through sociology we can do the studies of various aspects of society. Sociology as social criticism. Sociologists as a social critics can be encouraged in open discussion of important issues. Sociologists contributes in encouraging people's special rather than to superstition and narrowness. Sociology also leads public discussion based on truth. So as a sociologist, you can also become a social critic of various phases. Next, sociology in human resource. Interacting and working with variety of people carrying a representation of their own culture becomes easier for a sociologist. The course of sociology learns to be open to the individuals from several countries, communities, and tribes, irrespective of their race, gender, and sex. In the sphere of public service, working as a sociologist in the field of public work, one can work for people that would be going through a certain problem. Sociologists can provide immense help as being a sociologist are equipped with the eye of these problems. Besides such, sociologists also... Hello? Besides such, sociologists connect with organizations like the World Bank, United Nations, various NGOs and charities, and at the rate of FAST. And apart from this, you can also choose your career as guidance counselor, project manager, public relations specialist, community service, health service sector, criminologist, child care worker, human rights activist, employee relation officer, human rights coordinator. Thank you. So I think you have learned a bit about careers in sociology. Thank you. Now, I would like to request Ma'am Pratashi to give her input in mental health.
वीडियो तो नहीं आया था ना आपका शुरू हाँ
Students, hope you all are staying home and hope you all are staying safe.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we all are locked down in our homes, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so we are staying at homes, no going out, no playing around, no going to college, not meeting friends, isn't it? We are all locked down. Students, kindly unmute your mic, okay? And start your video. Please unmute your mic and start your video. Okay.
हेलो हाँ वीडियो ऑन करने के लिए बोला है ये हाँ हो गया मैं जाऊँ ना कुछ नहीं होगा तो बहुत कोई लोग नहीं किया ऑन करो
Everyone unmute.
Can you able to see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so today we are going to talk, I'm going to talk to you about mental health. Okay, various issues we are facing regarding our mental health. Okay. So we are all locked down in our homes. So what is happening in our homes? Father is yelling, isn't it? Mother is yelling, children's arguing, siblings fighting among themselves, too much of toxic fights happening at home, isn't it? Everything is irritated. We want to have fast foods, not getting it. So many restrictions, isn't it? So many things which are not happening in favor of us because we are locked down. Okay, so this is the phase when the world can see a revolutionary transformation happening. Okay, so this is a very good time for all of us. Okay, for all of us to do something, to become something, to prove ourselves. Okay, we can store all our positive energy and let it grow and convert it into some potential energy. Okay, whatever you prepared with, whatever you plan to do, whatever you want to achieve, whatever you want to aspire, whatever you have been dreamed for, whatever you wanted to be, this is the time. Okay, this lockdown is the time when you can achieve anything in life if, okay, I'm repeating again, if you utilize this lockdown appropriately and smartly. Understood? So today I'm going to discuss with you about 5 simple things. Okay, just 5 simple things to make yourself, to make you a productive person, both mentally and physically. Okay, they are just a simple logical way of living. Understood? So number 1 is self-development. So self-development means working on developing our inner self to achieve a specific goal. And for that, you should be mentally prepared. Okay, don't be destructive, don't be angry, don't be irritated, don't be frustrated. No, this is not the time. Okay, I know it is the time you can feel bad, but utilize it in the right channel. Okay, energy, give your energy to everything. Energy can never die. Okay, energy can transform. You can transform your energy to fight within the situation. Okay, face the situation, or you can run away from the situation. It is totally and completely your choice. Okay, but don't run away. Okay, don't give excuses. Because of lockdown I couldn't do this, because of lockdown I was sleeping, because of lockdown I was not in the mood. Okay, don't run away from the situation. It is not the time to run away. Okay, it is the time to sit in front of your specific goal, develop yourself, train yourself and work on it. Okay, this will lead to your specific goal. This is not the time to stay back and think that you are already prepared. You have no mood to study. Okay, how much will you revise? It's not the time. As you are all know that the pattern of exam will going to change. So advance yourself. Okay, learn new technologies, improve yourself, enhance yourself, work on that. Don't simply sit back. Okay, thinking how the pattern will be, how would I handle. Just don't think all that. Okay, just face it boldly. Okay. Um, so S stands for self-development. Developing your inner self is one of the most important thing we can do in this lockdown period. So second is monitoring your mental activity, which is very, very much important. Okay, it is the brain which has the potential to run or reach even without moving us. Okay, from for example, from this chair I can visualize anything. I can even go to Jammu and Kashmir without even stepping from this corner. Okay, I can even understand what is happening in Delhi just by sitting here and thinking about it. So this is the power, this is the potential of the brain. So it has the power to move faster than the light. So understand that you are restricted or locked on physically. Okay, only your legs cannot move out of the door, but your minds can. Okay, it is free to learn anything. Go to anywhere to know, to discover. Learn history, learn geography of everything, any sociology, any political science, everything. You can learn anything just by simply click on your mobile phones or in your laptops. Okay, it is open to you. Utilize your mind by monitoring your mental activity. Clear? So monitoring your mental activity is that our brain is a very multitasking, isn't it? One part of our brain is creative, the other part of our brain is logical, other part is responsible for seeing, one part is responsible for smelling, hearing, language and communication. There are so much things. Just imagine how a brain can do so many things. But are we actually keeping our brain active? Huh? Are we activating so that we can develop ourselves? Not at all, I think. Isn't it? We are not utilizing our brain in a proper manner. Yes. So utilize it. Okay, this is the right time. So self-development is dependent on how we monitor our mental activities. Okay, the more you monitor your mental activity, the more you can enhance your creative skills and you can develop yourself. Clear? The more you enhance your logical reasoning, you self-develop. The more you learn new words, add to your vocabulary, add to your communication skill, you will develop confidence. There's a very popular dialogue in Three Idiots. I hope you remember the dialogue. The principal, the virus had said something like that. ये unused brain है. अगर बाजार में बेचने से full value मिलेगा. Remember the sarcastic joke he made on Rancho's friend about their unused brain.